Hello everyone! Are you wondering how to make the summer break meaningful and significant for your child? Look no further. ICSA is here with the perfect opportunity.
That's right. This summer, let your child explore the creative world of graphics designing at ICSA, whether they're beginners or already exploring design tools. Our course is designed to unlock their full potential.
That's right, from Photoshop to Illustrator, our students learn hands-on skills that go far beyond theory. They'll create posters, digital art, branding designs, and even social media content. Skills that are high in demand today.
It's not just a course, it's an investment to their creativity and future. With flexible class timings, experienced instructors, and a supportive learning environment, your child's gonna love every minute.
That's right, summer vacations are not meant to be wasted in front of screens. Enroll your child today in ICSA's graphic designing course and let them create something amazing on the screen instead. Seats are limited and classes are filling fast, so do not miss out. Register today and give your child a summer to remember at ICSA. Click on the link in the caption to reserve your slot or call 99302850 for further information. Thank you and bye-bye!
Bye!